True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, say a grand market in a Black River, St.Elizabeth. So I'm giving a tour what grand market look like in the Black River area. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Grand market, a lot of people from all over come and do their shopping. So take a view in this area and leave in the comment section where you're watching from. I don't know what the crowd would look like today. So leave in the comment section and tell me what I go on. Yeah, man, I say later, more people will come out in the later part of the night. So I'm right in front of the tax office, the Black River tax office, and we all know when it come on to Christmas, some town areas normally turn one way, but we all know Black River town area is always a one way for a long time. So nothing much change about Black River. Yeah, we see everybody a dance and enjoy themselves at a party. So it's a bit overcast. I don't know if there in some areas get some rain today. So I don't know what later on gonna bring. You see a gentleman a blowing horn in a haze, But you can't block up the road. Everybody wanna go about their business. So leave in the comment section 2023 Grand Market, what it look like. I know Black River Day. Remember them keep Black River Day. Think I see more crowd on Black River Day. So I think Black River Day is more important to the people than more than Grand Market because they get a lot of history from Black River Day. Yeah man, so indicate where you're watching from. So the next video I can give you a shout out. Just indicate where you're watching from. Never can tell one day I can give you a shout out. Say True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. I tour the area. A lot of people overseas want to see their beautiful parish, their hometown. So I just take the time out for showing what I go on. man, I see a lot of vendors out further down in front of the park area. I say no parking inside, but I make a turn and come back out, you know? Boss, I fry them chicken there. Fried chicken, jerk chicken later. You see with the Jamaica jerk sauce. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see the police them come out here now. Yeah, man, so I'm giving an update every year if I can give an update on Manchester Junction side, Black River, Santa Cruz. Yeah, man, so me always do it. them enjoy themselves. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid, your tour guide to Jamaica, showing the different areas, yeah man, rural and town areas. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost. And if you don't want more content as we drop a video, remember if you click the all icon. Yeah man, so remember if you click the all icon and press the bell so you can be notified when I drop a video. Big up on yourself again. One love, one heart.